Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to change your camera mode and sensitivity on Roblox, whether you're playing on PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5. Let's get started. First, while in any Roblox game, press the Start button on your controller. This will open the in-game menu where you can access your settings. Once you're in the menu, the first option you can see is the camera sensitivity. You can move the slider left or right to adjust how fast your camera moves while playing. Increase it for quicker turns or lower it for smoother control. Scroll up a little and you'll find the camera mode option. You can choose between classic and follow mode. Classic gives you a full manual control of your camera, while follow makes the camera automatically track your character's movement. Choose whichever mode feels more comfortable for your play style. And that's it. You've successfully changed your camera mode and sensitivity on Roblox. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.